Now, I'm sure most of us have heard the doctors recommend not putting anything in your ear smaller than your elbow. But let's be real here. Most of us have been cleaning our ears by shoving cotton swabs into our canals like a chimpanzee hunting for ants. I figured I could find a safer option, and lo and behold, Amazon has a whole assortment of ear cleaning tools. You know what? I think I'm going to go with this one. It comes with a decent number of accessories, it's a fair price, and look, it comes with its own phone stand even. Finally got it in the mail, and honestly, the packaging seems kind of plain, but I mean, that's okay. It's what's on the inside that matters, right? Well, let's see what we've got. Of course, there's always something that falls out. Oh, and would you look at that? It even has its own little protective rubbers. I could have used this in college, but anywho, moving on. It's got a Type-C cable, and let's get the actual unit out here. There's the actual cleaning hook, and it does look a little sharp, but that's what the rubbers are for. The unit as a whole has adequate length, it's not too big, not too small, and it has a nice balance so you can really get precise in those tight spaces. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the small arsenal of accessory tools it comes with, such as the Forbidden Honey Stick, and what I can only describe as a cudgel. Now we need to prepare our unit for entry. So first things first, we need to apply our protection. And then we've got to press the spot for just long enough to turn it on. All jokes aside, I am actually really glad that this device has an app in the actual Play Store, so I don't have to use some sketchy nonsense from China. And that being said, the app is from ATO Math. I'm not sure why they use that name. And it's in the Play Store. You download it, and it actually connects to the device over Wi-Fi. So we've got to go ahead and get that connected. And of course, it's not charged. 1 second. Alright, now let's just dive right in. And it does have some pretty good video quality, which is mildly disturbing. But you know what? You get what you get. And this is definitely safer, because you can see what you're doing. Oh god, it looks like honey. It is really kind of difficult to maneuver because everything is kind of reversed, but you do get used to it. It looks like so much more on the small camera, but when you actually look at the device outside of your ear, don't get me wrong, it's still kind of gross, but it's not nearly as bad. Alright, dive back in here, and oh, big chunk there. Scroop. This is definitely better than using some other kind of paper clip or something, and then I did want to mention, like how I said before, with the camera you can see your eardrum, and I've had a number of surgeries as a kid, so I have scarred eardrum, which you can tell because it's white. But this way you can actually see it and manage to avoid it without hurting it. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this device. It does a good job, it keeps your ears clean, it's way safer than the monkey technique we've been using most of our lives. And I'll probably keep using it going forward. And so, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.